Welcome back to the class. Today we are going to learn an interesting lesson, Robinson Crusoe. First Standard English Samcha Kalvi, Term 1, Book page number 121. Prepared and presented by Miss Julie, JMJ English Medium High School. Robinson Crusoe is a novel written by Daniel Defoe. It was first published on 25th April 1719 by William Taylor. This picture is the title page from the first edition. The novel Robinson Crusoe has 31 chapters. They are given as a short lesson. The main character of this lesson is Robinson Crusoe. Let us read the lesson. Robinson Crusoe. Robinson Crusoe was a brave young man. He loved adventures. When he was 19 years old, he left his home and took travel in the sea. One day, his ship started to sink because of a great storm. Robinson managed to swim to an island. When he reached the island, he was so tired and he just slept on the sand. When he woke up, he found a little dog next to him. They both were all alone in that place. Robinson Crusoe is an Englishman from the town of York in the 17th century. He was a brave young man. His father encouraged him to study law, but Crusoe expressed his wish to go to sea. Robinson Crusoe's family is against him going out to sea, and also his father explained that this is a secure life for him. But Robinson loved adventures. Adventure means an unusual and exciting experience. So, when he was 19 years old, he left his home and took travel in the sea. As he was traveling, one day there was a great storm. In that storm, his ship started sink in the sea. Robinson struggled a lot and with a great effort, he swam to an island. He was so tired when he reached the island. So he slept on the sand. When he woke up, Robinson found a little dog next to him. They both were all alone in that place. Robinson explored the island and he found a broken ship. He took some food, guns, clothing and tools from it. He made a tent and lived in it. He counted days on a wooden cross. From then on, he was able to keep a calendar. On the island, he found many kinds of goats and hares which he shot and ate. Then he made a small boat. Robinson wanted to know where he was, so he explored the island. Explore means travel to an unknown area to learn more about it. Robinson went to other area of that island to learn more about the island. He found the broken ship. In that ship, he able to get some food, guns, clothing and tools. With the help of those things, he made a tent and lived in it. He counted days on a wooden cross. From then on, he was able to keep a calendar. This calendar helped him to calculate the days and what day it is, whether it is a Sunday or Monday, like that. On the island, he found many kinds of goats and hares, which he shot and ate. When he got time, he made a small boat. One day, Robinson found a footprint of a human on the other side of the island. He was frightened. For 2 years, he lived in fear. Then, one day, he saw some tribal men chasing a young fellow. Robinson took out his gun and shot twice. The tribal men got scared and ran away. He named him Friday as he met him on Friday. At last, he had a human friend in the island. Robinson taught Friday to speak in English, to shoot and eat like a human. Few years rolled by. One day, Robinson found a footprint of a human on the other side of the island. He realized that he was not alone on that island. His eyes filled with fear. For the next 2 years, he lived in that island in fear. After that, one day he saw some tribal men. Tribe means is a group of people that all have common ancestor, a common cultural and live in their own enclosed society. He saw those tribal men chasing a young man. In order to save the young man, Robinson took out his gun and shot twice. On hearing the gunshot, tribal men got scared and ran away. For that, young man was very thankful to Robinson. Robinson met the young man on Friday, so he named young man as Friday. Friday became his faithful servant. At last, he had a human friend in the island. Robinson taught Friday to speak in English, to shoot and eat like a human. One day, they both saved some people from the cannibals. Among them, they found Friday's father and his friends. They stayed with Robinson and Friday for a few days and left the island. Another day, Friday informed Robinson about a ship. They both eyed and watched the ship. Robinson learned that the ship's men had rebelled against the captain. After killing some of the rebels, Robinson, Friday, and the captain retook the ship. At last, Robinson sailed from the island to England with Friday after 28 years, 2 months, and 19 days. After a few days, Robinson and Friday saw two people who are brought by cannibals for eating. Cannibals means humans who eat other humans. Robinson decides to save them. Robinson and Friday killed 17 cannibals and saved those people. Among them, they found Friday's father and his friend. Both stayed with Robinson and Friday for a few days. After that, they left the island. Sometimes later, an English boat filled with sailors arrives at the shore. Friday informed Robinson about a ship. They both hide themselves and watch the ship. They try to know what is happening and what the men are doing in that island. Robinson learned that the ship's men had rebelled against the captain. Rebels means people who protest authority. So, Robinson discovers that the sailors were refusing to obey the orders of the ship's captain. Robinson helped the captain of the ship by killing some of the rebels and retook the ship. The captain agrees to take Robinson home. At last, after 28 years, 2 months and 19 days, Robinson sailed from the island to England with Friday. Robinson Crusoe has lived 28 years, 2 months and 19 days on that island. The central message of Robinson Crusoe is survival. The character of Robinson is very good example of hardworking man, and he had very good presence of mind. Instead of complaining about his situation, he looks at the situation and does what is needed to make the situation better. Robinson has few materials available to him, but with that he creates a comfortable and safe life for himself and is able to survive on the island for 28 years. Few survival tips. If you think you get lost when you go out to mall, beach or any place. First thing, don't cry. Stay where you are. Second, look for higher platform like bench. Stand on it. Third, shout your parents' name or say mommy or daddy and listen to your parents' voice. Fourth, don't go along with unknown persons. Fifth, know your parents' phone number, make a call to them and inform where you are. Sixth, ask help to another mommy with children or policeman, etc. These are the few survival tips. Today in this class, we learned an interesting lesson, Robinson Crusoe. Let me meet you with another interesting topic in next class. Thank you.